Pamilaran, easy basket, malakas. Fodra, sa ilalim, is a 2-point by jersey number 11, Fodra. Fabregas, jersey number 23, ang bola, sa laksak, is Pinoy, is a 2-point. Fabregas at then sa laksak. Fodra at sa dress, Fodra, for 3 points by Fodra, pass to Malakas sa ilalim, attempt by using the glass, is it 2 points by number 0 layup, but committed the foul. Paras by Fodra. Nakuha ni Flores. Nakuha ni Fabregas. Nakuha ni Marian. Paano kundi? Malakas. Pass to Pamilaran. Easy basket. Malakas. Jersey number 7. Pass to Pamilaran. Last 15 shot lang. Harap by Payungan. Pamilaran. Wala. Nakuha ni Pamilaran ulit. Malok Malakas by using the glass. Is this 2 points by jersey number 7, Malakas. Number 23. Pass to Fodra, jersey number 11. Ang bola mo natin na kay Malakas, jersey number 7. Pass to Pamilaran, jersey number 1. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Fabregas at then sa laksak. 7, Conde. Fabregas, jersey number 23. Ang bola. Sa laksak, is Pinoy! Is it 2 points by jersey number 23, Fabregas. Pamilaran by using the glass, but jersey number 6, committed. Pamadito, first personal foul, first foul. Malakas. Ayos na! 2 points. Napabisid ako na kayo. Napabisid ako. Official score 70-55. 17 points lead by Soponano Ranzo. Malakas. Number 7, Fodra sa dress. Fodra for 3 points by jersey number 11, Fodra. By Fodra, pass to Malakas sa ilalim. Attempt by using the glass. Is it 2 points? Lot of pasahan. Pass to Fabregas, jersey number 23. 10 seconds shot clock. Sa press. Ryan. Botata. Pamilaran. Pamilaran, pass to Fodra. Sa ilalim. Is it 2 points by jersey number 11, Fodra. Mendoza. Jersey number 7, Malakas. Pass to number 1, Pamilaran. Light 1. Ready for Zob. Hadraus. Rebound by... Pass to jersey number 7, Malakas. Haras by Lua. Fabregas. Lalim. By using the glass, is it 2 points by jersey number 23, Fabregas. Padrao layup. Is it 2 points by jersey number 11, Padrao. Last 1 and 40 seconds. Malakas sa unang attempt. Easy 1 basket by jersey number 7, Malakas. Last 44.2 seconds. Official score 91-74. 12-point lead. Mamagay Ranjo. Second attempt. Wala. Rebound to jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 7, Malakas. Haras by jersey number 13, Mendoza. Tira ni Petra. Fodra sa press. Wala. Rebound ni Fodra. Nakuha Marian, jersey number 5. Second personal foul. Marian in Malakas. Pass to Pamilaran. Pamilaran sa gitna. Wala. Follow shot by jersey number 00. Paig by number 0 layup. But committed the foul. With foul it. Mendoza Third personal foul, Las Vegas. Pamilaran. Malakas. Use the ball. Easy basket by jersey number 7, Malakas. Easy basket by jersey number 7. Pass to Malakas. Easy basket. Nakuha sa Pamilaran. Malakas. Sasabay pa si Mr. Perez. Pamilaran layup. Easy 2 points. Haras by jersey number 1, Luha. Waymani. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass to Malakas. Malakas. Easy 2 points by jersey 7, Malakas.
Baba na, baba na!